Hey, go and hit that subscribe button, sneakerheads. I know you watching video. Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we trying to do.
Come on, man. Too easy. Too
On
easy.
this video, we got that what? That
Weekly
weekly
heat.
heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Weekly heat.
So I'm going to start off, my brother. On April the 26th, we do have a Jordan 1 high. This is a nice, clean colorway, in my opinion. Unfortunately, this will be a golf shoe coming out in that UNC blue that I love. The color blocking is majority UNC blue and white. It does have a white midsole. Looking on the side, we do have to see that black swoosh with the Jordan Wings logo in black. I do think this is a nice touch to this shoe. It does remind me of the other original ones that came out, but these ones are a little bit darker, so I am rocking these a little bit more than previous ones. But I have to see these in hand once I get them because you know I collect that UNC baby. So the bottom of the shoe is that UNC blue. However, instead of having the regular Jordan outsole, it will be a golf outsole. So it does have those traction around on the forefoot as well as the back of the foot around. We do see some nice tumble leather on the side panels. Again, it does have that UNC blue coming all around the collar and all around the heel of the shoe. Moving on to the front, we do have the toe box is covered by the UNC blue as well, and the toe itself is white. Moving up, we see the black laces. I do think this is a nice clean touch as well. We have that Jordan Jumpman in black as well. Now, the one thing I do love about this shoe is that black collar, and it does feature that blue in UNC. It does make the shoe pop, and you don't have to worry about getting your shoes dirty from playing golf because the sock liner is black as well. I do think that's a nice touch. Again, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, a nice colorway. Nice colorway. Nice. Hey, Jordan Brand 9 with that golf shoe. I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. But I will be rocking those, my brother.
Yes, sir. So what we got next, my brother?
So on the same day, April 26th, hey, Jordan Brand is dropping a pair of Jordan 4s for the grade schools, for the babies. It's hyper violet, right? Asking price for those. Grade school will be going for 160. Preschool will be going for 100. And those toddlers will be going for 85. I really don't understand why Jordan Brand would want to go with this colorway. I mean, these are for the babies. I get it. It's a comfortable style. I get it for the babies, but it really don't make sense because babies go scuff them up, right? So I don't understand that. I can see these shoes sitting because of just that colorway, right? It's nice and clean. I mean, I like what they did with the ankle flaps. I love what they did with the rubber outsole of the shoe itself. But I can see this shoe sitting just for the fact that, hey, colorway. I mean, you know, Jordan Brand, you got to put some thought behind, you know, when we putting these shoes together for the babies because the asking price for those 160 for grade school, and hey, they wear them one day and come home, you're like, damn. Right? So it really don't make sense. Hey, either you go agree with me or disagree with me, but either way, just drop us a comment if you rocking those or dropping those. But I'm loving the 4s. I've been a 4 fan, and I'll be rocking those. But I do see them sitting. What about you, my brother?
So unfortunately, I'll be dropping these. I do think there's a clean colorway for the spring and summer, but fortunately, like you said, it's all about the outfits, and that neon fuchsia pink or purple is a little bit too bright for me. So, you know, luckily these are GS, so I can't rock these anyway, but I am dropping these. I don't, if I had some kids, I would not be buying these for them. So it's just, like you said, trying to find a matching outfit would be difficult, I believe, but that's just my opinion. Let me know your comments and your opinions down in the comments, sneakerheads. We're moving on the same day, we do have on April 26th a Travis Scott collaboration with Jordan, the Jumpman Jack. This is his second collaboration color coming out with a price point of $200. As of right now, I don't see these loaded up on the sneakers app, so hopefully they'll come out, but then again, it may be pushed back. We don't know. I like this colorway a lot better than the first pair. You don't know, the first pair was basically like a brown and white, and this one is more a black and white. But what makes me a fan of this shoe more than the first one is that red. It really makes the shoe pop. And I love that red swoosh, the way it looks, the backward swoosh, and just making that shoe pop against the white and black. I think it's a very clean colorway. It does feature that kind of like stale. This one is like, first pair is more brown. This one is a more stale, kind of like yellowish. I think it would have been a little bit better if they would have been more stale, but I'm not mad at these. Moving around on the tongue, we do see the Jordan Jumpman in red. I do think, again, makes the shoe pop. On the tip of the tongue, behind the Jordan Jumpman is black. Does feature some white laces. You may want to swap the laces out, either red or black, to make the shoe pop a little bit more. But if I win these, which I probably won't because I never won a high collaboration on Nike sneakers app, but we'll have to wait and see. I'll be going for these shoes. Maybe put a red or a black lace to make the shoe pop even more. But the toe is featured that black hit on the toe, as well as the side panels are black. Moving around the back, we do see the typical Travis Scott logo with his Cactus Jack on the back with that smiling face. I do think it's a nice insole in there. It features like a multi-pattern, red and black, again with that Jordan in white. On the insole, move around to the bottom of the shoe, we do see that typical Cactus Jack branding with his name Jack Frost in red. And I do think that's a good hit as well, because against that cell color, that red is just popping out, you know. So I really like this shoe overall. I think it's a very clean shoe. I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
Hey, I love the collab. I love the collab. Nice work there, Jordan Brand and Travis Scott. Hey, I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Either you rocking those or drop it. I will be rocking those, my brother.
Yes, sir. So moving on, what we got next, my brother?
On April the 27th, we do have an Air Jordan 1 High OG Team Red. Price point for those men's are going for $180. Grade school is going for $140, and then preschool is going for $85, and toddlers are going for $70. Right? Hey, this is just a classic Jordan 1. I wish Jordan Brand would have did it in low versus high. I could see that shoe really, making a statement being a low top versus a high top, right? Also, I can see that shoe doing quite well if it was low with, red shoelaces. It's just a classic Jordan 1, which I'm a fan of the Jordan 1s. It had to start somewhere. So I've always been a 1 fan, but I could see that shoe really eye-catching with that color scheme if it was a low top, right? But in saying that, I will be rocking those. Will be rocking those. I could see that shoe really sitting because of that price point. I mean, grade school $140, and preschool sitting at $85. I could see those shoes sitting. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
So I am dropping these, and I don't understand, like, these are called Team Red, but they kind of like maroon to me, and
Yeah.
I don't really have any maroon shirts, so that's why I'm going to be dropping these. But overall, the color blocking is a very clean shoe. If you want these, like I said, rock what you like, buy what you like, and go and scoop them up, sneakerheads. So moving on to the last shoe, dropping the same day, April 27th, we do have a Jordan 3, aka Georgia Peach. This is a women's pair only. This does come at a price point of $200. Majority of the shoe is white. We look at the side. This is just a standard, typical women's Air Jordan 3. Kind of remind me of the Lucky Greens, except for wherever it's green at, these are orange. And I'm not sure, again, who's naming these shoes, because Georgia Peach, I thought they'd be more peach color, but these are actually orange. I mean, it's a simple, clean shoe, clean colorway, and I do see these sitting as well. But let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, what do you think about these? I'm actually dropping these, because like I said, for me, to wear the orange, it is a hard color for me to rock, so therefore I'm dropping those. What about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
I agree with you, with the Georgia Peach. Really didn't make sense. Hey, maybe the shoelaces make that shoe stand out some. But I've always been a fan of the 1s, 2s, 3s, and 4s. So I will be rocking those. And I agree with you. I can see those shoes sitting. And Jordan Brand, you gotta make sense on what you're doing with these price points. No women are paying $200 for a pair of sneakers. Unless they red bottoms. That's it. Hey, Jordan Brand, we know you watching our videos, because just last week, hey, check out that video right there. Right, just last week we was like, come on, Jordan Brand, we only got 1 shoe this week, but then the following week you go drop 5 shoes. So I know you guys are listening. Hey, yes, Jordan Brand, hey, ship us a pair of shoes and let us do the reviews for you. But that price point going under retail, I can see those shoes sitting. But I am a fan of the 3s. So I will be rocking those. My brother. Yes, sir. And if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you bless,
hey, bless others. Peace.